Gonna shake cause we all rolling. Fuck them bitches, fuck them niggas too. Fuck them niggas, what I got to lose. Mix my drink with some lime, just to buy me some time. Then I'm spending it all on you. You know me very well. It's the so only time will tell how we do this. So when the music keeps playing and your heart starts jumping and your head keeps spinning cause the bass keeps turning up. It's 5 a.m. and you just reached your all time. I got ya. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the
we gonna get some motherfucking acai bowl because if it ain't me without getting a motherfucking acai bowl. It's cold as shit. I don't know why I'm dressed like this. About to go. Hello. So I got an acai bowl.
Which one did you get?
The very berry. Very motherfucking berry. This is what I got. I got the berry acai. What'd you get, Lex? It's so cute. Hers looks good. Hers actually looks better than mine, but I want an acai. Just me and this bitch are gonna go shopping. But I actually need to get something, so don't fucking. Every time I go to the motherfucking outside, I spend like $500. Hey y'all, let's do a fucking haul, cause why the fuck not? Big ass bag out. First things first. This is probably gonna be after my cousin's birthday, so you can see what I got, you know. So I seen this bag, and my cousin's been on her gym girly thing lately, so I feel like this would be really cute as a going out, as a gym. It's Kendall and Kylie. We like her. My cousin likes hers. There's some bags. Gotta make it look cute. Next, we got her a watch. Like, tell me this isn't the cutest fucking thing. It's rose gold. She's a rose gold girl for sure. Her theme is like coquette, so like I guess like, you know, this is like, she's about to be like 21. I feel like these are great like clubbing heels. Like, stop playing. It's so cute. So fucking cute, right? So yeah, we got her that.
I got some pajamas. I might just wear them right now, honestly, just because, like, why not? These are the pants, and these are the top. Oops. My sister has the same, so she doesn't think it's hers, but this is mine. It's just really comfy. I also got, like, underwear, but, like, boxer underwear, because this is my favorite. I don't like thongs. I don't like bras. I don't like none of that. And I got some things to, like, shave my face. I don't usually do that, but I don't know. I always wanted to try, so we're gonna try. So we got that. Some exfoliating body soap and everywhere when you use like a glove, because you know you have your glove. And then I got aloe vera. I really wanted this. I'm not gonna lie, but I think I'm gonna refrigerate it after I take a sip.
I really love chocolate. I love it. Oh, this is a nasty. It looks kind of nasty. Smack. Hey y'all. I just got my nails done and my toes done, but I'm not gonna show that. I look crazy. I've been looking crazy all day. I was late to work. It's been a long motherfucking day. Right now we are gonna go get some ramen because it's literally 60 degrees outside and me and Lexi are freezing. Me and her just got our toast and 2 white toasts for the house. And we're gonna show you what our ramen ends up being. Okay. How's your pineapple, coconut?
Amazing.
Tiger.
Oh,
I'm not putting on you, bitch. Okay. Talking about I put the lime and the coconut and just sit on the Tiger. Your shit red as fuck. Like, you want some soup with that motherfucking sriracha? Made Chipotle chicken nuggets for me and my cousin for the game. He tried to attack me. Try.
Juju! She always tries to eat my food. This is gas.
You didn't even try the rice. Where we at, yeah?
The Malski.
Yeah, we at the hip ski.
Looking for a dress ski.
Cause fucking
Poly ski.
done finesse ski, my cousin.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
Love ya.
Love you.
Love ya, king. Want no bars. It's fucking raining. But that don't mean that I can wish you better. Let's just keep it honest with each other. So we're going to Jewel's and we're gonna go to Costco or Sam's? Sam's smelling club.
Damn, should I buy the 1942? Absolutely. I got you too.
We don't fuck with you, bro. We done got the alcohol. What we got? 100% agave. If you hip, you hip. We got James' son in the cut. Came in. We got that water. Bitch got some candy. And that's it. And then they fucking dragging
Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z, bro. Gonna get to Aya's crib before we go inside. I'm smoking a fucking blunt.
Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mood. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky.
We'll be right back. I'm gonna clean my shit and we'll show you after.
I was like, damn, why do I look like
He's crazy. Y'all, so this is gonna be us with our quick little cleaning. That bitch look decent. Bruno. These snapskis or what? Fuck
we did this shit in like
mean.
2 minutes, dead ass.
Wait, say it again. What the fuck? Oh. Dumbass hoes. Hey, say hi to the vlog. Gang up.
Guess what she ordered? Gold puffs. On the gold puff order. Over there in the back.
I don't know, what is it?
What do you think of Ellie?
Oh, Jameson.
Yes.
Oh my god.
She
love,
gold puffed Jameson.
love that for you. Is this chocolate?
Oh yeah. I mean, it's the thing.
We about to make some chocolate covered strawberries, cake pops, all that for J9's little birthday bash tomorrow. If you ain't there, sucks, miss out. But
Would you? Not gonna die, I don't think.
hey,
Oh,
what you guys say to the vlog?
your room is clean.
I know, right?
What?
Excuse me. Crazy as fuck, but we making some cake pops.
I'm here for the vibes.
Yeah, Ellie's here with a Jameson bottle. No bad. I'm here with a non-alcoholic THC beverage. I got 2 if I want to drink, but
Making you nervous, I heard.
nobody's making me
Drinking a
nervous.
drink that's not even open.
I know. Well, I got excited. I wanted to drink my drink. Nobody's making me nervous.
Somebody's making Iris nervous. I don't know. Somebody in your phone. You waiting for something?
Literally not talking to nobody.
Your cat is.
She's mean to me.
You know what? I don't like when cats freak out and then they like grab you. You know?
I love
I let it go for a while.
cream.
Until you guys
So we're gonna make chocolate
Here,
covered
Ellie. I'll do the melting and you do the design. You
and I'll do the
chair?
dipping.
And I'll eat it.
If you really, Laura made in the vlog, y'all. If you had a little bakery shop, what would you call it?
Sherman's cakes.
Or
like melt.
I'm fucking dead.
You're gonna dip everything. Yeah, you have to let it dry and then you do the thingy.
Yeah.
Oh, the drizzle?
But that's why you should melt some in the microwave for you guys to use. Because we all can't use this.
Outfit change, I'm freezing.
let them
So
harden
cheap.
up and then we'll
Yeah.
go ahead.
Weak ass cousin in the back.
We can always use it after you.
She make none. Y'all stop. What you call it? I'm about to go play some music real fucking loud. So I will show you guys the aftermath. And yeah, I'm gonna get ready really early because I need to buy some weed after this, and I need to make some TikToks and some selfies and some thirst traps. Duh. So, but I'll be back when I'm damn near. This is the beat so fresh. This is this is the beat so far. Girls love to just put the eyeliner on because everything else looks crazy. Bitch! So this is the makeup, this is the nails, this is the jewelry, the chain. Alright, we about to go in, y'all. Well, whenever you hurry. So this is how it looks, y'all. This is
The birthday girl's mother. Say hi to my vlog, the Jinky. And the parents. Setting this thing up. Well, we set it up. They just provided everything. Super cute. Super cute decor.
literally. Of course. This is the fam.
Had my vlog.
Hi. My madre. That's who I was birthed from. Hello.
Yo, happy birthday. You know we can turn up.
J9 birthday girl, what you gotta say? This is you before being drunk.
Wait, what?
This is you before being drunk.
Are you drunk?
This is the outfit. I didn't show y'all, but I'm not a girly girl, and this is giving very girly girl. But this is my type of music I play. I'm DJ right now. Congrats. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Cheers. Took a smoke break. No bad. Give up on me. No. DJ in the cut.
Yes.
Alden in the cut. Okay. No, it ain't. It ain't never so much. I want a little bit though. That's good. That's good. We're taking a little hike. Hike shit into the woods. So from the party last night, I low-key was not hungover at all. My God. Ew. I'm gonna throw it up. Y'all are so bogus. Literally. This shit help you overcome some shit.
Hey, that shit's scary.
Yeah, bro, shut up.
You bogus.
Yeah, bro, it really is.
But they need to paint it. The fuck? This shit ain't even rainbow. This shit. Move over, man.
Stop, don't come over here, bro.
Hey,
Chill, bro. Take another one.
We just went through the bridge. That shit was mad anxiety, no cap. How are y'all doing? So holding on for his dear life.
No, I'm straight. Look, we gotta go right there.
Fuck no, I'm not sliding and dying. Fuck out of here. I'm staying right here.
We're so official.
What you gonna catch with this dirty ass water? What? Chach?
I ain't never been fishing. I'm trying to do that. For real.
How you never been fishing? Even I've been fishing.
Never have. You didn't have a dad. Yeah, there you go.
I didn't have that either.
Yeah, me either.
No
I
excuse.
didn't have no positive male role models in my life. Positive male
I had
figures.
uncles. I like this. This is my first time here. It's cute.
Monkey, what kind of animals is that?
Who does go to?
Alright, so if your boyfriend fell in the...
Literally ate shit. I literally almost went on a mudslide. Y'all, look at the fucking... The shoes is like fucked up, but it's cool. I'm gonna get a new one. But that shit just blew me. No, putang ina. What's up, yo? I'm currently at work. I just wanted to end the vlog. I hope you guys like the vlog. It's dead as fuck right now. It's Monday. Why the fuck aren't y'all drinking? Just kidding. I'm not even drinking, so I get it. But I just wanted to end the vlog. I hope you guys like the vlog. I'm gonna keep vlogging because I like vlogging. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more, like, comment, subscribe. But yeah.